Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 8, and we're diving into the world of functions. In this video, we'll cover defining and calling functions, working with parameters and return values, and writing reusable and modular code. Ready to boost your coding efficiency? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. They help you organize your code and make it reusable. Here's how you can define and call a simple function in Python. In this example, we define a function called greet that prints hello, world, and then call it to execute the code inside the function. Functions make your code cleaner and easier to manage. Now, let's talk about parameters and return values. Parameters allow you to pass data to a function, making it more flexible. Here's an example with parameters. In this example, the greet function takes one parameter, name, and prints a personalized greeting. You can also have multiple parameters. The add function takes two parameters, adds them together, and returns the result. Using return allows the function to give back a value that can be used later in the code. Finally, let's discuss writing reusable and modular code. Functions help you avoid repetition and make your code more modular. Let's refactor some repetitive code into a function. By defining a calculate_area function, we avoid repeating the area calculation code and make our script cleaner and more modular. This approach is essential for maintaining and scaling your code base. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to defining and calling functions, working with parameters and return values, and writing reusable and modular code in Python. Keep practicing these concepts, and you'll be well on your way to writing efficient and clean code. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 9. Keep coding.